This is Dr. Padma, Professor, Department of ECE, Gokaraju Rangaraju Engineering College, Hyderabad. I would like to discuss on the future trends of the satellite communications. So, coming to the future trends of the satellite communication, there is a lot of challenges in the satellite area where a lot of requirements for the future communication. And there is a chance of having the requirement for onboard processing capabilities and more power is required, and very large aperture antennas are required so that it can able to handle huge bandwidth. And there is also a huge bandwidth, and long term viability of the commercial satellites is also a future demand for the satellite. So coming to the transmission data, transmitting data from the observation satellites, there are several observations is being observed that you need to have a continuous monitoring of the earth for probing the environment and forecasting the weather. There should be a possibility for continuous monitoring instead of not for a predetermined time, only for a specific period of time. There should be a continuous monitoring and continuous telecast of the data is required by this observation satellite. And also there is a requirement for the data transmission for the deep space probes, and that is there is a requirement for a high power, volume and mass of the onboard equipment for the deep space probes with which has already restricted to a limited transmitted power, and antenna diameters are restricted. Instead of that, we need to have a huge data for the data transmission that can take place for this data communication. And there is also a requirement for communication within the clusters of the satellite. Uh, there are the huge satellites that are being allocated present in the space need to be interlinked, and there should be a co-located by the smaller satellites. There should be a linking, and there should be a small satellites where we can relocate from one position to another position should also be possible. And there should be a possibility for internet broadband service to the space plane and aircraft, because these vehicles are moving with a very high speed. There should be a chance for this high speed internet also should be available for the aircraft applications. And there should also be possibility for IoT and the connected cars uh, for the satellite industry. Also need to have a requirement with an IoT, and every operator is added with a connected car portfolio in an emerging segment. This is the requirement for the future trends are coming with these types of features. And there should be a satellite communication with satellite oriented air traffic management. For air trafficking also the satellites are required, and there should be a customized land mobile radio broadcast applications, and for the aeronautical satellite application, and the intelligent space communication system. So these are the basic requirements for these satellites. And there is a need for efficient wireless interlink between these satellites, and terrestrial wireless communication also need to be expanded. And there should be a huge increase in the usage of space system, whether it is a planetary or manned or unmanned bodies. The space communication should be made possible, which can give rise to the need for enhanced space communications. So that is the basic requirement now in the future. Thank you.